What is property tax investing? What is that?
You want Rachel, or you want me to?
I'll let you do you kick us off.
All right. Well, it's a pretty broad term, right? So in our world, we put property, we break that down into kind of three major buckets. There's what we call tax liens, which you're not actually buying the property, you're buying an interest in the property. The other bucket or extreme would be what we call tax deeds. And typically with that style of investing, you're buying the property. It's pretty closely related to buying any other real estate. It comes along with some weird nuances with getting in, buying the property and then dealing with the title after you buy the property. But it's closer to a standard real estate transaction. And then there's a third bucket, which there's tons of sub buckets of this category, but we try to put it all into one called Redeemable Deeds. And they're kind of a hybrid of the two, where you attend the auction and you may have ownership interest, or you're bidding on ownership interest, but that comes with a whole lot of caveats, redemption periods, things you got to do in order to obtain ownership, etc. And those we call redeemable deeds. And so when we talk about tax sale investing, where we're specifically referring to property taxes, and then the three different types of purchasing or investing in those property taxes.
Tax
Awesome.
distressed would be kind of a term, and that we hear and use a lot. So
Tax distressed.
yeah, that there's an issue, right? So there's a need to help out those homeowners and the counties, basically. So
Got you. Okay. So a good example of one of those would be for the hybrids anyway, and I guess that was the market that I focused on, was Georgia, DeKalb and Fulton County, and Texas. Those are the hybrids. Those say you go in, you buy an interest in the deed, you have a year and 1 day for redemption for the property owner if they don't redeem. Then you foreclose on their right to redeem, and then you have to take over the property in that manner, right?
yeah, another big state would be South Carolina.
Okay, great.
But